Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a retracement to the downside after getting rejected within our Fibonacci key area of resistance between the 0.248 and the 0.23994. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to continue holding within, and also share with you the scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the highs we made above the 0.2969, I have been observing this 5-wave structure to the downside in red, where you can see that we first saw that initial pullback in the formation of that first wave. Then we got a bit of a bounce in the formation of that second wave, then continued to push a little bit lower in the formation of this wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the third wave were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the highs we made in the formation of that second wave. And you can see that the fib level 1.618 that lies above the 0.23584 was fully maximized, and we continued to push a little bit lower, making our low below the 0.21054. Then we got this bounce over here in what we can now term as the formation of that wave 4, and the minimum target areas for that fourth wave were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the highs we made in the formation of that second wave to the lows we made in the formation of this wave 3. And on so doing, the area that I have been paying attention to has been between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, and that is between the 0.249 and the 0.23988, the red target area. And you can see that we are now perfectly getting rejected within that target area, and that means that in case we see further retracement and weakness in the markets, then it is most likely that we are going to get the final phase of this 5-wave structure in the formation of this wave 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of this third wave. And on so doing, the area that I am paying attention to is the 618, and that lies above the 0.19062 as my next pullback target area. So that means that in case we get further weakness, continue seeing further retracements, and maybe at some point we also lose the low we made in the formation of this wave 3 below the 0.2109, then I will expect further downside to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I expect here on the Polygon Matic chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.